Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, we are first year computer engineering students from Zeal College of Engineering, Pune. We made a fidget spinner game by using Python programming language. Our group name is G28. Myself Harshada Daunkar and my team members are Anmol Kumar, Anushri Avari, Vikrant Khade, Samruddhi Kulkarni. We made this project under the guidance of Zarina Sheikh ma'am. As games are cool and everyone loves them, we created this project. When creating games, you have to think more about the logic of the game. The logic of the game is the heart and soul of the game. It defines the game, how world, what things are in the universe, and how they interact with world. It also defines how the state of the game can be altered by external stimuli, such as a human player pressing a button on gamepad or a process taking actions to kill you. Making games can be very different from other types of programming. In this project, we show you how to create a fidget spinner game by using Python programming language. We use Python language for making such project. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. It is simple and easy to learn. We use the turtle module in Python. The logic of the game is that the turns will keep increasing as you press the space bar, and it will reduce its speed and stop at a point where you stop pressing the space bar. Here is the code of our project. We use the turtle module in Python and also a def function. Here is the execution of our project. As you see, when we pressing the space bar, speed of the spinner get increases. The conclusion of our project is that using Python programming language we can make many games. As Python is easy language and time saving, we choose it for our project. Using Python we made fidget spinner game. As games are loved by all, so it will be fun for playing such types of games. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.